Lenovo Chromebook S330 laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. This is my first Chromebook and I love it. The simplicity of this thing is amazing. I have an expensive Windows 10 PC that drives me crazy. I find Windows has become a very intrusive and confusing computer that bothers you with a load of notifications and pop-ups. Trying to figure out how to disable all that stuff is a real pain. Windows seems to bury all those settings, making them hard to find. This Chromebook is none of that. The ease of this is like using a smartphone. I have absolutely no problem with the screen resolution, it looks fine to me. I can't comment on the battery life because I've yet to unplug it. I use it strictly as a stay-in-one-place computer, plugged in all the time. Google Docs and files take a little getting used to if you never used them, but once you get used to it you will have no problem. It was not a problem for me because I was already use them on my iPhone. You can't download outside programs because it's a closed system. To me, that's a good thing because I only use it to surf the web, shop, emails and files. And because you can download programs you're not gonna pick up any viruses. If you need to edit any photos you can always download a photo app from the Play Store. I've found the storage and speed for this to be just fine, it doesn't seem to slow down with numerous tabs open. You have a load of apps to download from the Google Play Store that should keep you happy. I do use it to stream movies or play games so I can't comment on that. I'll stream stuff from YouTube with no problems at all. If you want a laptop to do just the basics like I do, then you can't go wrong with this for the price. To me it's way better than one of those low-cost Windows PCs. I had a low-end Windows PC that I bought as an extra computer for me to use when my wife is working on the expensive PC. I hated it so much I gave it away before it was a month old. Besides being intrusive and confusing, it was slow as crap. This Chromebook is like having a giant smartphone with a keyboard, it's that easy. The only reason I took away 1 star is because I think it could have used one more USB port. Other than that I love it, and if you use a computer like I do, you will too. I really like this. The only issue I have with it is that it is only 720p, but for a 14 inches screen that isn't a real big deal for me. I think it's clear. The battery life is great on it. It lasts for a good 8 to 10 hours on a full charge. It's a Chromebook, you don't really need it to be very powerful. So for what I use it for it works great. I use it for surfing the net and streaming videos on Sling TV, Amazon Prime Video, and Curiosity Stream. I would buy this again knowing what I know. The price is right. It's a great buy. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.